Hello everyone, myself Shiv Patel of 10th studying the Srimati VM English Medium School, Halol, Gujarat. This is the Excellent Challenge video presentation. So let's be with me. I start with the name my journey, the journey of change of character. As the level of confidence, level of collaboration, character, behavior, each type of skills are developed and increase in me. So I am named it as a change of character. What's a leadership? According to me, a leadership is a skill to gather, to attack people and lead and motivate them to work for the public, work for public welfare against their problems. These skills are also used for wrong reason, but to handle and control these skills to be utilized only for good reason is the skill of leadership. For developing such skills, we got different type of tasks like make a wand, my vision board, stage your imagination, etc. These tasks we will see in detail. First is the my wand. By the way, did you notice the positive men are more hopeful and self-confident and are more energetic, which leads him to achieve the highest goal and they can also do a very difficult task very easily. And that is on my wall, the power which in me. The strengths of such wands are helpfulness, positive response, curiosity, discipline. The mantra for using such wands is just answer with yes for any difficult task, any new work, which increase your experience and knowledge. Vision board, what I want to be. I want to be a business person. For this, what is in mind is to different type of skills leads to a success. What I drawn in the vision board. For this, I require accountability, clarity, proper vision, acceptance, challenges, taking risks, critical thinking, decision making, etc. Such type of skills I require. On how I develop these skills in day-to-day life, I describe it in these slides. The stage of imagination. For this, I prepare the three type of stories like the model of bullock car, the gun, the working projector, and I prepared a nice story on this, the name as the factor of development. And I had also described this story in the other video. The help in kitchen. In this task, I had washed the utensils, mixed the white flour, mixed the yogurt, frying the chilies, etc. It is difficult for me as I am not new in the kitchen, and my mom are also happy and saw the pretty smile as I am taking interest in their work. But it is difficult for me for a while as I am new in. Once I over salted the chilies, but my mom doesn't judge me. Only they are encouraging me by saying that it's happened. So and also it can be happen in beginning. So I also appreciating them. So let's make the world a better place. In this, I had taken the topic of death of people because of allopathic medicines and treatments. This is prepared from drugs and chemicals, which is lead to heart failure, kidney failure, pneumonia, depression, such type of problems. According to different reports, 1.3 part of the death of heart patients are because of such medicines, and many type of harm it can cause. To overcome this problem, we should switch on to Ayurveda, as Ayurvedic medicines directly work on the problem without showing any side effects. Instead of this, it gives us much more benefits. And even the Ayurvedic treatments like massage therapy, yoga, etc. also can help over to be fit and healthy. Ayurvedic doctors are also completed the 5.5 year course of BMS. They are also well qualified. We can also visit them for our problems. So don't thought the Ayurvedic is a poor and old culture of India. It is still rich and useful for us. And outcome got after this is the poor people can also buy the medicines. Here Ayurvedic is cheaper medicines than allopathy. Allopathy is a very costly medicine. So poor also buy this, so their living standard increase and the life expectancy increase because the Ayurvedic doesn't show any side effect. And the Ayurvedic treatments like yoga, etc. are reduce our body problems and makes our body much more fit. So life expectancy is also increased by this. To create awareness, I will conduct a session and donate the nature medicines by visiting the colonies and societies of poor and donate them the nature medicines and suggest them advices according to Ayurveda. Then for this I had required 15,000 money on cash for the startup. And Ayu Daily, the Nature Co is the social action tax money. It is the name of the social action. For this, I had collect the data tips for Ayurveda, then converted them into Doha form, poetry form of Hindi, and shared it in the social media. I got the positive response, and many people are influenced by this, as you can see in this peak. Overall information that I had reached approximately to 50%, and number of days spent is 30 days I spent for and no amount spent by me, as everything is available in my home. The challenge faced by me is the lack of ideas and thoughts, the manage time and crush of these tasks and school tuition works are also irritate me. Dohas out of sentence is also hard, and the preparing a PPT out of mobile phone having limited battery is very difficult task for me. But overall learning is to manage the time for each type of work for school, tuition and lead tasks, and imagine beyond our creativity, which is highly needed in these tasks. And I should still learn many things, like I should try new things also which I doesn't try yet, so that I got the new experience which doesn't lead again me in the what I happened with me in the kitchen. As I'm new, I got the experience of each type of task which works me a better. And skills like curiosity, critical and creativity thinking, time management, as utilized problem vision to my proper vision to my topic, are all skills are utilized by me. The time manage, I had make the schedule for each task, how many time I give each task, and that's make me easier to complete my task. And I proper vision to my topic is help me to be doesn't confused in different type of tasks. These all skills I used to complete my task. So in short, I am just saying I just want to say that the lead journey is quite interesting because it is consist of some problems with solutions and lots of ideas. In the beginning, the lead camp is full of enjoyment and learning, but the action of project is the like exam of our learning, but each task of it develop over different type of skills. I suggest everyone to part at least one time in the lead competition. You can also part in individually by Google Forms. At last, I want to say thank you to jury team, to thank you to each and every one who visiting this video, and just give your feedbacks in comment box so that I will improve myself. Thank you.